Somebody pulled the fire alarm. Fire department's here. So, just inside doing my last 10-minute walk before I went on a break. And then all of a sudden, all the games shut off. And yeah, I guess some dumb kids. So I've heard. Might have fucked with the fire alarm.
Oh, I don't know. I bumped it off station.
Well, at least I busted my ass today, so I can't really complain.
Yeah. Had to be told to bust his ass to be more accurate.
At least my feet aren't too sore.
You were only here for like 4 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine being here for 6.
Kind of Jeep vehicle is that?
Or
It looks
8
like
hours.
some sort of hybrid.
What one?
That Jeep vehicle over there looks like some sort of hybrid.
Yeah.
Like a Jeep truck.
Well, that's what a Jeep is. It's a truck.
Yeah, but Jeeps normally don't have a back like that.
Yeah, they do. Just not all of them.
So it has to be a hybrid of some kind.
Look it up.
Oh, what's... Oh, it's not.
Well, I'm going to be a little late for my haircut. Trying to turn off that fire alarm.
That one military I told you about on Rec Room, I retired.
Cool.
Oh, you're talking to someone.
No, I'm not.
So that military that I'm in on Rec Room, I retired.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with the new military now. I'm a first in command of MP.
Yeah.
It's just out of the police.
Michael Brown, everybody. I can't really get it. Damn it.
Yeah, none of these kids here did it.
I don't know.
Well, I was told that the suspects that did it ran off, so.
I'm aware of that.
Could have been those kids that left that one bat that we found.
Who Justin found?
Yeah.
Those were co-workers
Oh.
that left that behind.
Sorry, I'm just trying to.
Not kids.
I'm just trying to put this together.
Stop playing detective. What did he say?
Sorry, I'm just trying to piece this together.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Coughing up phlegm. I'm still low-key kind of sick.
Bus again.
That sucks.
Oh, good thing I got $19 on my card.
Yep, just don't waste it on food.
No, my bus card.
Oh. Get a yearly thing or a monthly thing.
Wait, get it what?
Get a yearly thing or a monthly thing, you know, plan, so then you don't have to
Yeah,
pay.
but then I'll have to change out my bus card every year.
No, you don't.
Oh. How much is the yearly thing?
I don't know. It's worth it though. You know, because if you're out of a few bucks, I can't offer rides.
Yeah.
You know, you're kind of on your own to get home.
Music hurts my ears.
What music?
The music that's playing. Kobe.
Good thing my car, oh shit, completely shuts off. Because since I have my door open, it's not like draining my battery, which I just realized that. Because I hate it when cars, they stay on when you have the door open. And that's just a super nice feature. This is fucked up. I should be going home by now. But that's okay, you know. I'm not complaining.
Next payday, I'm gonna buy a Bluetooth speaker.
Cool.
$31.
That must be a cheap, crappy one. Oh yeah. I'm going
If
in.
it sounds good, then I'm good. Oh, we're good.
Just clocking out so we can get out of here. Okay. They get it. They get it. Yeah, they know. I'm hungry. Might give me some food. Maybe a pizza. That, my dear friends, is what I have to go through every day at work for 4 hours, 3 hours. Him talking about whatever. I did not want to film any of him, but you know, I guess I got a good portion of him. And I am sorry if you, the viewer, are annoyed at that, because, you know, yeah, even though I don't really get any views anymore, but I'm gonna clock out so I can get out of here. So. Well, that was quite a way to